Okay, I gotta get the, so my iPhone isn't charging properly. It is not the cable. I bought new cables, two different brands, and one was the genuine brand. And it's still not making the connection very well. I gotta kind of like jimmy it in order for it to charge. So obviously the charging port inside the phone is the bad portion. Then I'm probably gonna start first by getting myself a fountain Coke Zero because I love fountain soda. But it's just more carbonated and it just tastes better at McDonald's, probably because of dirty pipes and a few other things. But I'm gonna go to McDonald's, get a soda there first, then I'll go up and get the iPhone charging port fixed if they do that sort of thing at TechCom. And then after that, I don't really have anything else to do. Hey, I'm going to McDonald's.
What?
I'm going to McDonald's. You want a burger?
Yeah.
You want chicken or beef?
Yeah.
Which one? Chicken or beef? Hamburger.
Yeah.
You? Okay. Okay. I don't think he understood what I asked. Derek, what's up?
How are you?
I'm good. I had breakfast over at Kung's.
All right.
Yeah. I felt like having breakfast today, but I didn't want to dirty up my kitchen.
Fair enough.
So I decided to just go to Kung's.
Okay.
I used to go over to the sports bar there on LA Metro,
Right.
but it's been kind of crappy the last few times, so I stopped getting breakfast there.
Fair enough.
Yeah, they kind of pre-cook all their stuff.
Right.
Yeah, and then they deep fry their sausage links. Like they don't even cook it on the flat grill anymore. They just put it in the deep fryer,
Right, yeah.
which
yeah.
is a quick cheating way of cooking your sausage links.
And all the sides split.
Yeah, it gets kind of nasty. I'm not a big fan of deep frying sausages.
No.
And that's what they do because they're too busy. They're just too busy. Oh, just hanging out here.
Getting like 15 minutes of
Sunshine.
of
Did you go to
vitamin D.
your restaurant over there or no? Did you go inside your restaurant?
Yeah, I'm there from 9 till 11.
What time is it now? It's
About
late now.
10 past 11.
Yeah. I got to go over to TechCom today, and my iPhone's not charging properly. Do you use iPhone or do you use Android?
No, I tried iPhone once and I managed to burn the processor out.
Yeah.
They wouldn't replace it under warranty. They
Yeah.
figured that I'd used it too much.
Yeah.
That was fucking.
Yeah, I bought new cables and it's not the cable, it's the actual charging port inside the phone. Too many times plugging in and out. Plus,
and
we use.
there's I'll send you the name of the guy that I get to do all my phone stuff.
Oh,
He comes and picks it up from
nice.
here and then drops it back after he's finished.
oh, nice. Do you have a guy who sharpens knives by chance?
Sorry?
Sharpens knives.
No.
That's what I need.
No,
My knives,
no.
all of them across the board, are starting to get kind of dull.
That's the one thing I've never been able to master.
Yeah.
And believe me, I've tried.
Yeah, I bought a few. I bought the Stone and I bought the
Yeah.
ones, and it just isn't quite as sharp as when I buy the brand new.
Yeah.
And so I bought a knife at Big C a couple days ago, just a cheap old Thai brand,
Yeah.
and it was super sharp. It was a cheap knife, but it was sharp from the beginning. Now it may only last a month or two, but it's sharp right now.
Right.
I mean, to the point where it's dangerous, but I love it. But I need to get somebody to come over and just take all my knives and sharpen them. Yeah.
No, I don't.
Yeah, they're all getting dull. Along with my scissors too. They should be sharpened scissors.
Yeah.
Yeah, I gotta get that thing out. Okay, I'm gonna head over to TechCom. Plus, I gotta get a burger for the security guy. Yes, I gotta go to TechCom. Fix my phone. This McDonald's app that we have here in Thailand allows me to get a cheaper fountain soda because that's dirt cheap. Get open. You know, this McDonald's fucking app is so glitchy that you gotta open it really early and get your system up and running because it just doesn't start up right away. It's so goddamn ridiculous here. Ooh, it's muggy out here. Like I can get a burger and a Coke for so cheap. Jesus.
Chicken ready ค่ะ
Hey, you guys are closing soon. When is the last day?
last day
Yeah, Texas Chicken. You guys closing, right?
yes
When is the last day?
end of September
End of September. Okay.
yes
Okay, thank you. No, I don't have anything. I don't have, I only have $5.
Why one two? Okay. See, 140 baht.
Hello. Hey, can I get Coke Zero, not Coca-Cola?
Which toilet?
Toilet, you upstairs. Upstairs.
Oh, okay.
29.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you ครับ you get a free filet of fish. $500. $500 for a plastic cup. Expensive. Okay, let's get up to TechCom. Just realized when I give this phone up for them to work on, I'm going to lose the McDonald's app. So I won't be able to get my security guy a discounted burger. I'm going to have to pay full price. You fix iPhone or no? I need to change my charging port. So this phone, when you plug inside, it's not charging good. Not the cable problem inside here. It's I think iPhone 10. And then also, I need a case that fit this one not correct. I need a new case. Yeah, you see? I have to try many times. Every day, many times try before working. You understand? Okay.
1 hour.
Okay.
Okay, na?
Okay, just come back 1 hour.
Okay.
Hey, can you find me a case? I need to buy a case too.
Then I need password.
Oh. Okay. You want me to write down? You want to try? Let's try to make sure. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. See you later. Okay. Thank you. Hello. Okay, let's get the McDonald's for the security guy. I'll just have to pay full price. You know, I was gonna order online, but I think I'd rather go to Central Festival and go to the Xiaomi store. Either at Central Festival or go over to Terminal 21 shopping mall and go to the Xiaomi store there. I want to buy the most expensive iRobot vacuum cleaner. I want to buy the one that connects to the home docking box that has the water and the cleaning solution. Because if you're gonna go all out and have the place clean, you want to have the thing that's gonna clean it. Said a burger, but I don't know if these guys really like burgers. God, $3 for a cheeseburger here. Actually, look at that. A hamburger's only 55 baht. He's getting a hamburger. They don't have an extra value meal. Okay, we'll just get him a monster size. Okay. They're gonna come in separate bags, right?
เฟิร์สออเดอร์มันเด็ดไหมข้างในเพิ่มอีก1จัมโบ้นะพี่ส้มคูณเด็กตัวที่5
Okay, thank you. Thank you. Here. very quick at this McDonald's, I tell you. This is officially the slowest McDonald's. Oh, thank you. Thank you.
ออเดอร์ทูไวท์โฟร์ไนน์ค่ะ2549ค่ะ
Thank little breeze, but man, it is muggy out here. Whew, like a sauna. Okay, there's no wind over here, and it is blazing hot. Blazing. That street right down there is a dead end. I never walked it, but I know it's a dead end. Hey, a golf cart. That's what I need. Oh, there's a breeze coming through here. That's weird. I went through a little section back over there with no wind. Now it's like windier than hell over here. You guys can hear it. What's up? Woo! Hot outside.
ครับ
Hello. Okay. I'm gonna call it a day until I go back out there in 1 hour and pick up my phone. I usually like to give these guys, they say 1 hour and you go back in 1 hour, it's not usually ready. So I like to give them I like to say 1 hour and 30 minutes, but I usually give them double the time. So they say 1 hour, I go back 2 hours at least. Or else you'll just be standing around, waiting for it to be done. So I'll come back out in a couple hours and we'll see how it goes.